Introducing Woodpeckers Steel Straight Edge in 12, 24, and 36-inch lengths. This is the straightest woodworking straight edge on the market, with a tolerance of 2/10,000ths of an inch per 12 inches of length. With that extreme tolerance, you'll set up machinery with unmatched precision, like setting your joiner tables to ensure they are coplanar, and making sure your joiner fence is straight, as well as your router table fence. This straight edge is perfect for setting the bottom rollers of your planer, either below the table or above. Test your table saw top for flatness, including extension wings. Plus, use the 12-inch straight edge to test the flatness of your hand plane sole. Each steel straight edge is 7/32 of an inch thick, so they're stout and easily stand on their edge while you do your checking. For unmatched precision in your setups and projects, order the Woodpeckers Steel Straight Edge today.